Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to use about reduction variable. So I will put about u equals to x minus y. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u over the x. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 1 with dy over the x. So we have this one. So I will put this one go to the left, this one go to the right. And we have like this. So this one we change by u. This one we change by this one. Now I will put this one go to the right, this one go to the left. Next, the x go to the left, 1 minus psi u go to the right. Next, we need to integral both sides. Next, we multiply by 1 plus psi u on numerator and denominator. This one we have 1 minus psi u square. And now we have the formula in here. So I will put this one go to the left, sorry, go to the right, and we have cosine u square equals to 1 minus sine u square. And this one we have cosine u square. And now we can separate them in here. So this one, that is about secant of u square. And now we have the final answer, the integral of dx. You got about x. The integral is this one. We have tan u. The integral of this one, we have 1 over cosine u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about x minus y. This is the end. Thank you for watching.